Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. And today we are going to the Magic Kingdom. I think I said that last night. But yeah, we are just finishing up getting ready. Well, I'm ready. I'm just waiting. But yeah, we're gonna go. It's supposed to be like 79 degrees today, which is great considering it's been like 50, 40 degrees all week. So we're excited for the warm weather. Well, at least I am. But yeah, we are gonna go, and then when we get there, I will be sure to update you guys. See you there. It's like massive. Hello guys, good afternoon. It's been a while since I last updated. We are eating now. It's like 3 o'clock. We're eating at the Crystal Palace. I've never eaten here before, but I did used to work at Disneyland, and I used to work at the Plaza Inn, and apparently this is like her sister, like hotter older sister. I don't know, we'll see. Because I have eaten at the Plaza Inn many times. But yeah, we're excited.
Thank you.
Oh, I gotta bring you a cup of tea. We'll be right back, okay?
We just got dessert. Where we're gonna fit it all? Unsure.
Now, do you want like a...
Just went on Big Thunder Ranch Railroad. I took off my ears because they were hurting my head. But yeah, we're on our way to the next ride, whatever that is. I'm filming on my phone because I don't feel like busting out my camera right now. But here's Splash Mountain. I would go on Splash Mountain, but like I don't feel like getting wet, so it's not happening right now. But yeah, we're walking through Lincoln Square right now. We are officially leaving the Magic Kingdom. Ears are off, hair is up, lashes I ripped off. That was fun. It's only like 8:30, but the park closes at 9, so we have to go. Plus we're exhausted. My feet hurt so bad. I'm not used to this much walking. But yeah, we're just gonna go back to our hotel because we are tired. Gonna go to bed. Tomorrow we have like a free day. We don't really have plans. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But we're about to catch the bus back to our hotel. Hello. So turn of events. As you can see, I'm in a different room. That's because we were just upgraded. So we left the Magic Kingdom at like 8:30. Like I think the last time I updated you guys, we were walking out to the bus, and we walked into our room. Place reeked of weed, and we were just like, what do we do? Do we complain? Do we like just, you know, deal with it? But then we were like, wait a second, like these hotels are not cheap. We're not gonna sit here and deal with this. So luckily they were nice enough and they upgraded us to like a family suite in a completely different building. We were in the Little Mermaid building, but now we're in the Lion King, and it's so cute. It's like Lion King themed. There's like a dining room. This is the bedroom. Fun. We got one bathroom here. Oh my gosh, this is very, very nice. One bathroom. Got the TV. We got mini kitchenette. Another. I think this is a sofa bed, I'm pretty sure. Another TV, kind of like a living area.
This table pops up.
I think that table. No, I think that's a bed.
The bed, whatever.
Another bed.
Yeah. Another bathroom.
Here's another bathroom. And then my outfit looks scary right now because it's been a long day. But yeah, we're tired. I'm probably gonna go to sleep soon. Hopefully they figure out whoever it was that it was smoking. It's just, you know, annoying. Anyway.
Imagine the kids, the children.
Think of the children. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's our free day. We don't really have plans. So we'll figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Bye. We are officially leaving Disney World. It's Sunday morning. It's like almost 6:30. Our flight doesn't leave till 9:30, but we are taking the Magical Express and they pick us up at 6:30. So here we are. I'm still just like tired. I'm sleepy. More sleepy than tired. How do you feel?
I feel great. Tired.
He feels great. There was a thunderstorm last night, which is kind of weird. It was a little scary. There was lightning. The thunder was really loud. This weather is so weird. We got here and it was like almost freezing. Literally almost 32 degrees. And now it's like 70 degrees. And thundering. But yeah, we're excited to go home. We're on our way to the airport. So thank you so much for you guys. Oh, can't even talk. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is going to be the end of the trip because we're just going to be like going on an airport and flying home. Nothing exciting. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for coming along. Bye.